10 awesome gadgets for men that are worth buying. Technology is advancing with the days going by, and each day feels like a technological revolution in this modern time. In this day of technology, products of every aspect of life have found the innovative touch. And all those innovations have given us the luxury of making choices from various available products in every field of life. Well, all of that is true for the things related to men's lifestyle. When it comes to men's lifestyle products, it's not only just limited to neckties or whiskey stones. There are some amazing and awesome gadgets which are specifically innovated for the purpose of men and their day-to-day lives. Some gadgets are really cool and can make a strong impact on men's lives. In this video, we will be looking at some of those gadgets which a man should have in their life. Number 10. Survival Gear Kit. There is no doubt that an emergency or disaster could quickly strike any area in the world, and to tackle that emergency situation we must be prepared, otherwise it could lead to some serious damages. So having a survival kit around you should be a great thing just in case. There is no damage for being cautious. This 24-in-1 emergency survival gear kit can be the perfect one for you. It has got covered all the things in it which you could possibly need in case of any kind of emergency or survival situation. It has the basic stuff, like a knife and a flashlight and fire-making equipment. Then it has a fork, which is also a spoon, bottle opener, and a wrench. It fits for people who love to hike or hunt. It is pretty compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your bag anywhere you want. Number 9. Magic Cube. Fidget spinners are a great way of improving focus as well as relieving stress and anxiety, a cheap way too. But the fact is, the normal fidget spinners available now are a bit childish and would fit into the hands of a teen but not into the hands of a man. Moreover, the typical spinners are now outdated too. So get a Magic Cube from Cool CT. This Gears linkage fidget spinner looks tough and is strong and durable. It features an ergonomic curved shape design offering the best hand comfort with ensuring long-term use. The small stress reliever is easy to carry, discreet, and upon giving you a good flick, be sure to enjoy a spin for a long time. It is a cool gadget to have for promoting your relaxation state while also improving your focus. Number 8. 50 caliber bullet shot glasses. This is more of an artistic piece on our list of some wowing gadgets for men. This set of shot glasses look like shiny gold 50 caliber bullet casing that just make your home bar a little more manly. The glasses are coated with a glossy gold finish which gives it more of a bullet vibe. These glasses are for those men who never get tired of taking a good shot on or off the range. These bad boys can hold up to 60 milliliters of your favorite drinks. These glasses can be a perfect gift for those hunters and marksmen friends of yours who like to keep shooting, well, the liquor of course. Now, you have to take good care of these collectible glasses with hand cleaning them instead of putting them in the dishwasher. These are great for blending in any kind of occasion. Number 7. Burger Press. Love to grill those burgers in your backyard, but the burger patty shape is a hard thing to perfect. Then this is the gadget for you. This burger press is the perfect gadget to make evenly sized and shaped burgers for sizzling on the grill or barbecue. This durable and commercial-grade burger press will give you nothing but perfectly round-shaped burgers. If you like to add any kind of stuffing, after pressing half of the press it again by putting in another layer of meat and voila, there is your custom-made burger. Don't worry about the cleaning, this burger press is completely dishwasher friendly, so get yourself one of these burger presses and enjoy perfectly shaped, delicious grilled burgers. Number 6. inCharge 6. This gadget will more probably deserve the title of the Swiss Army knife of cables. Bringing revolution into the charging cable sector, it is a 6-in-1 connecting cable that lets you connect between different types of USB devices. There are 6 combinations that you can mix and match, and it lets you connect to any kind of device. The inCharge 6 looks like a simple keychain, making it super portable, fitting into the space of your wallet. For a longer chain, get the inCharge 6 Max. It also transfers power from one device to another. It is a perfect gift for those people who have devices that charge using a variety of different connectors. Instead of carrying a handful of cables, get yourself this gadget and enjoy while the 6-in-1 cable connects to all of your devices effortlessly. Number 5. Universal Socket Wrench Adapter. A very helpful gadget for everyday mechanical works. This universal socket wrench adapter works like a charm, instantly adjusting its grip to hex nuts, hooks, eye and lag screws, and other various shapes and sized objects. No need to get several screw heads in order to unscrew your various types of objects. This self-adjusting wrench adapter will give you the ease of gripping most kinds of bolts, nuts, and other odd-shaped fasteners, and makes the whole tightening and unscrewing performance a lot better. When you place the wrench over a nut or bolt, the steel pins inside it adjust to conform to its shape and size to allow you to remove it. Now you don't have to waste time searching for the wrench head for each bolt. With this auto-adjusting wrench, the adapter put it on the drill and finished the job without any disturbance. It will surely be perfect for construction, carpentry, or home improvement works. Number 4. Mini Camping Stove. When you are on a hike, what will be the most important thing you should carry? And let me finish before someone thinks of light or tent if you like to cook your own food. A camping stove will give you the independence to cook whatever you want from the natural ingredients you collect instead of munching on some packaged foods. Backpackers need a stove that is lightweight, dependable, and will get the job done quickly after a long day on the trail. This ultra-lightweight mini camping stove is only 50 grams in weight and fits on the palm of your hands. Checks the portable box. The threaded connector can connect it directly with the cylinder, and with an adjustable control valve putting it on the maximum capacity, can boil 1 liter of water in just 3 minutes. Checks the dependable and quick working box too. This is really a perfect camping companion. Number 3. Rolling Knee Pads. Rolling knee pads are a must-have gadget if you are working for long sessions putting maximum forces on your knees. Continuing to put force on your knees might lead to serious knee and back injuries. With these rolling knee pads, bid bye-bye to those risks and enjoy a happy knee with the comfort of moving freely too. It will improve your mobility and speed up job completion. This knee pad has its base over 3 wheels, which enables the knee pads to make a full 360-degree turn without lifting from the floor. Awesome, right? With the hook and loop system, strap yourself securely in the knee pads while being totally comfortable and can easily take them off. Another cool gadget that will help you take care of your body while you're working. Number 2. Beard and Hair Straightener. For those who didn't know, beard straighteners are a thing and they are a very helpful gadget for men. Beards are a great way to bring a macho look to your face, or simply because many think it looks cool. Whatever it is, those who have a beard know that maintaining it is not an easy task from any angle. This is where a beard and hair straightener steps in. With the negative ion technology, this gadget allows the beard to be hydrated and smooth simultaneously. Without causing any heat damage, it provides a smoother, more polished appearance. Apply it to your hair if you want and expect to get the same extraordinary result. It is specially made for your beard because using any woman's straightener will give you burnt cheek or smoking whiskers, but expect nothing but a subtly styled beard from this beard straightener. Number 1. EVO Shaver. Not every man likes to have a beard and like their cheeks clean shaved, and for those shavers, this gadget would be the perfect one. Looking more like a salt shaker, EVO is the world's smallest travel shaver. It is a compact grooming tool for avid travelers, giving them the capability to maintain their looks without having to carry some big machinery. The EVO Shaver is the size of an egg and fits into your pocket or on that compact space in your backpack. What's more interesting, you don't need to buy any shaving foam. It shaves effortlessly without any damage to your skin. The self-sharpening EVO also goes 50 uses on a single charge and can be easily recharged with your smartphone charger as it has got the same USB-C port. After using it, just run it under water and it is clean. Simple as that. Oh yes, they're also self-sharpening, so with this gadget, shave anytime you want and be ready for life. And this ends our list of some of the cool gadgets for men that are worth buying. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.